actually, no experience in restaurants, but I cook as well. I think I'm a decent cook. When I moved to the States, there were not many Peruvian restaurants here, and the few there were, I mean, they were okay, but they were not using like the authentic Peruvian ingredients. So to me, they tasted off. They didn't taste like the food that I grew up eating. In Trujillo is the birth is where ceviche was born by the mochicas and the chimus. That's where. So we have like incredible seafood. Like the Trujillo versions of the famous Peruvian dishes. To me, are the best versions of them. So when I moved here and I couldn't find Peruvian restaurants, I learned how to cook because I wanted to be able to have Peruvian food once in a while. And now I have two daughters. One is 17, one is 12, and I've been cooking for them since they were little Peruvian food. So, and then when Gaston Acurio started this gastronomic revolution in Peru, uh, I started following his career, from the beginning. And Mistura, in part, was inspired on what he created. Gaston he went to study to be a chef in France, came back to Peru, opened a French restaurant in Miraflores, and the restaurant didn't work. Because back then all the good restaurants were either French or Italian, and he changed his restaurant from French to Peruvian, and that's when he found success.